Hi guys, how to change lock screen password on Android. Want to change your Android lock screen password but can't find the right settings? What if I told you it takes less than a minute and keeps your phone more secure than ever? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you how to change your lock screen password on any Android phone step by step. The first of all, open Settings, and scroll down, click the Security, and again scroll down, click the Screen Lock. After that, enter your old mobile password here. After that, this is lock type. For example, pattern SWIP, and password you any set, click on it. And down, click Next. And set your strong password and click Next. After that, again enter this same password and click Confirm. And that's it, your Android lock screen password is successfully changed. Your phone is now safer and more protected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more easy Android tips. See you in the next video. Stay secure.